Good evening, children. Hello. Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. Now, this is the video number 7 of chapter Acid, Bases and Salt. Now, we can talk in this class about home indicators, which can change the color of a substance to show the nature of a substance. Indicators, as you know, it is not always possible to show the acidic or basic nature of substances by testing them. Testing a substance in laboratory is not also advisable because may be harmful. So what can we do? Thus, to test the chemical nature, acidic or basic nature of the substances, a special kind of substance called indicator is used. An indicator changes its color to show the nature of substance. Litmus, turmeric, China rose petals, red cabbage, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. What are the different naturally occurring indicators, friend? What are these? Litmus, turmeric, China rose petals and red cabbage. Some of the naturally occurring indicators they are. Now, the number 1, litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is what? Is litmus. Litmus is extracted from whom? It is extracted from lichens. Lichen is a composite organism. What kind of organism lichen is? It is a composite organism. It consists of fungi and algae living in symbiotic relationship. What do you mean by symbiotic relationship? The relationship between the two organisms in which both are benefited from each other. Here in lichens, algae being autotroph provide foods and the fungus can provide the other shelters and all. Litmus is available in the form of foam, solution or paper strips of two colors, that is either blue and red or red. Litmus gives a purple color in distilled water. In acidic solution, blue litmus paper turns into red. In acidic solution, blue litmus paper turns into red, while red litmus paper remains red. In basic solution, red litmus paper turn into blue, red litmus paper turn into blue, while blue litmus paper remains blue. Now another one is the indicator that we call as home, turmeric. Turmeric as an indicator. It is used as a natural indicator. It is of which color? Yellow color. It turns red when dipped into basic solution. Turmeric does not change its color in which solution? In acidic solution. We can go through what? The taste of the solution also to get the exact answer, exact idea. Just see here. Serial number, taste solution, effect on litmus paper and effect on turmeric paper. Which paper? Turmeric paper. Number 1, lemon juice. What is the effect on litmus paper? Blue litmus turns red. And in case of effect on turmeric paper, it remains yellow as it is. Number 2, vinegar. Effect on litmus paper, blue litmus paper turns red. And while in case of on turmeric paper, the effect of vinegar test solution, it remains yellow. While in soft solution, the effect on litmus paper, red litmus paper turn into which color? Blue color. an effect on turmeric paper on shop solution. In a shop solution, it turns reddish brown. It turns reddish brown. And the number 4, we can get the which test solution? Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. What is the effect on litmus paper? Red litmus paper turns into blue. And what will be the effect on turmeric paper? It turns reddish brown. So we can see that the effect on litmus paper and effect on turmeric paper. Now we can come to the next indicator. What is that? China rose indicator. China rose indicator is also a natural indicator. Natural, I mean to say what? Obtained from the nature. It is extracted from home. China rose petal. Have you seen it? Anyone? Can you recall it? It is a hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower. And the scientific name is Hibiscus rosa chinensis. In literally you call in Hindi arbul. It is also of different color, different shape, different size. So in an acidic medium, China rose, it exhibits dark pink. That means what? Also we can call dark pink magenta color. While in a basic medium, it exhibits green color. Now we can find that the effect on the different taste solution and effect on China rose. Number 1, we have to take which solution? Lemon juice. What will be the effect on China rose? It becomes dark red color. And second, what we can take the solution? Vinegar. What we can take the solution? Vinegar. What will be the color or effect on China rose? It becomes dark red in color. Then number 3, we have to take detergent. What will be its color? Effect on China rose, it becomes green. The 4th one, we can take what? Baking soda. Which solution we can take? Baking soda. What will be effect on China rose? It becomes green in color. Now we can take the number 5, orange juice as a taste solution. Which is taken as a taste solution? Orange juice. What will be the effect on China rose? It becomes also dark red in color. Now we can find another one natural indicator. We can prepare it also. Red cabbage as an indicator. Red cabbage contains what? It contains a pigment which makes it an indicator. On addition of red cabbage indicator, acidic solution turned red color and the basic solution turned greenish yellow, and neutral solution turns purple color. So what we can see here, that the different kind of indicator we have discussed about the same. Number 1, the litmus. Number 2, we have observed there another one also, like the China rose, red cabbage. We have turmeric as an indicator that we can use it. It comes from what? Naturally. So we can get the different effect on it. So this video number 7, you can have some questions also just for recapitulation. What is the source of litmus solution? What is the use of this solution? Question number 2, define indicators. Question number 3, how is an indicator used in the study of acids and bases? Take the examples of any 2 indicators to support your answer. Question number 4, with the help of an activity, explain the process of making red cabbage indicator. Question number 5, in which you have to do the fill in the blanks. Complete the following tables: serial number, taste solution, effect on turmeric paper. Number 1, dash and effect on turmeric paper, yellow. Which solution turns yellow color? Number 2, dash, you have to mention the taste solution, and effect on turmeric paper becomes reddish brown. And Serial number 3, that will be with solution. Solution here given, milk of magnesia. What will be the effect on turmeric paper? So you, the student, you can do these questions and stay home, stay healthy, and whatever be the doubt will be there during the online classes, it can be solved. So thank you everyone.